Good morning, everybody. My name is Jeff.White at World Class Guaranty RV. I'm here to show you this Bighorn. We just got this in. Underneath here you have a huge storage area for your generator and batteries. A nice light right here, so if in the dark you can't see what's going on. Solar hookup, solar ready. 6-point auto leveling system. Propane tank. Each side has a propane tank. You get them full when you buy from us, along with new batteries. Huge underbelly storage area. And there is your auto leveling buttons. You just push those. There's lights inside there. Plenty of room to put plenty of totes if you decide to stay in it for a period of time. All your gray city water, outside shower connections are right here, ready to go. One big bedroom slide out. Water heater. Huge living room slide out. This is the back of your refrigerator right here. Short cord hookup. And on the back here we have a big old ladder rated about 250 pounds. Nice barbecue setup. So this unit has opposing slides in the living room. You'll see when we get in there, it makes a lot of room. And here's the other side of the big storage area. Huge storage area. A hookup for a TV, plug-in, and the other propane tank. Once again, you see it has 6-point auto leveling system. And this comes with a huge electric awning, outdoor marine grade speakers, nice thick doors with magnetic catches up there, so it just stays up there. Really nice feature. Let's go on inside, you guys. Remember, this is a 32 RS Bighorn. 4 easy steps to get up. A lot better than the 3 you'll see in a lot of units. We walk in, the first thing I notice is a big back window. Everybody wants a big back window. You got reclining seats. You got a big back window. Everybody wants a big back window. You got a nice couch back here that makes it into a bed. Nice ceiling fan. Nice air conditioning unit. Lots of storage. These are real wood. Little tall for some people. I'm 5'11" and I can reach it. Any shorter, you probably have trouble with it. Emergency exit window. Over here, you have your reclining chairs. And just kick back. Well, sort of like that. I think they're electric. But here's the cool thing, is they have massage, heat, and lights. They are electric chairs that open up. They just kind of slowly open and close for you. More cabinets, and I can reach these real easily. Lots of storage space. Over here we have a TV, more cabinets, fireplace, stereo system, CD, DVD player, Blu-ray, surround sound, the whole thing. More storage underneath here. Off to the side here, probably put your DVD players in. Light switches for back here. More storage there. Plenty of room for movies. One of the things I like about this is it's got tons of cabinets. This has tons of counter space. Right here's a lot of counter space, and a lot of counter space right here. Plus, tremendous storage. I dare the wife to fill it all up. Stainless steel appliance microwave. Look how big that bad boy is. Huge for a microwave. 3-burner cooktop. And a nice size oven. Here's where you put all your silverware. Even got it divided out for you. Put all your spatulas down here. Wine openers. And then pots and pans can go there. Unless you want to put them over here, which is really a nice deep storage area. Over here we got more drawers. A nice 3-bank drawer setup. And this one's really deep if you can get it open. Nice birch drawers, stainless steel guides. More storage underneath the sink. Oh, it even comes with a garbage can. Isn't that incredible? Storage underneath the oven. This is really cool, folks. One big stainless steel sink, nice and deep, huge. Do your pots and pans really easy that way. Stainless steel faucet, spray hose. Moving over here, we have a nice big stainless steel refrigerator and freezer setup, if you can get it open. This is made by Dometic. Lots of room. You can probably store a couple weeks worth of food in there. Nice stainless steel finish. And over here we have tons and tons of cabinet space. Nice big pantry, all set up, ready to go. Really deep. Those aren't adjustable shelves, but you could if you wanted to make them that way, I suppose. Nice and really deep, tall. Put your cereal boxes there, all your canned goods there. And more storage. All your controls in one central spot, and more storage. Over here we have a nice table, pulls out, there's 4 chairs, windows at the table, nice light above there. One thing I forgot to mention is the nice lights hanging down above the sink area. Beautiful stainless steel to match everything else. Let's go up to the master bedroom and check it out. This is really cool, nice little grab rail. If you're like me, you need it. Okay, master bedroom. Just love the colors in here. Has 2 air conditioning units, so no matter how hot it gets, you're going to stay nice and cool. Okay, inside here, let's see if we can get these doors to slide appropriately. Lots of storage there, back storage, hanging closet. I want to show you this way though. Just tons, I don't know if you can get in there and see, but just tons of storage. And then, what everybody wants, washer and dryer space. Now that's not a tiny washer and dryer area, that is huge. You get 2 of me in there, plus all the manuals you need. Now we put the TV right here if you'd like, laying in bed, watching some movies. All the plugins right here. You get this nice big chest of drawers, 4 drawer bank, nice and deep, and a nice window, escape window right here in the bedroom. You got windows on each side with plugs, a spot for your CPAP machine if you need one. There's speakers in here. Just absolutely beautiful. Really, really nice. And then you have the master bath. Kind of a pivoting door. That's something new that Heartland's come out with. Now look at that shower area, you guys. It's got a seat, so ladies, you can sit down and shave your legs. Spray hose, sink, medicine cabinet, plenty of room around the stool. More storage over there, a fantastic fan. But this door makes it really nice. See how it only takes up a part of the hallway? I can stand here and still have traffic come back and forth. Really, really nice, cool addition they have. So if you guys have any questions on this, which I'm sure you will, please give me a call. My name is Jeff.White, 541-671-1840, or shoot me a text, or simply send me an email at Jeff.White@Guaranty.com, and Jeff is spelled J-E-F-F. Remember, this is the 32 RS Bighorn 2018, and if you can't remember Jeff.White, just remember Bam Bam. Everybody knows the cartoons, Pebbles and Bam Bams. Everybody knows me here by Bam Bam, so just ask for me and I'll get a hold of you. Thank you for taking time out to watch my video. Have a very wonderful day from World Class Guaranty RV.